our 2-door NSF reach-in freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 54 inches and a depth of 30.5 inches. Height with caster wheels is 82 inches and without the wheels, at least 75.5 inches. On the inside, included will be 6 adjustable shelves that can be adjusted to the desired height of your preference. Shelves are currently facing downward with the sleeves facing on the bottom, so you can adjust it either from the top or bottom of your choice. So right now the shelves are currently adjusted with the sleeves facing downwards, but can be adjusted facing upwards, your choice. And the measurement for each shelf, we have 22.5 inches in depth with at least 24.5 inches in length. Overall dimensions for the interior, we have at least 25.75 inches in depth. For the height, floor towards the bottom of the fan, we have at least 54.5 inches. Overall length, we have at least 50 inches. In the center is a partition separating the 2 separate compartments. And the measurement for each will be at least 23 inches in length. That's counting the first and second compartment split with the center partition guarding it. Plastic trim lining along the left and right door for easy closure as well as access. Coming to the back is a spacer that's mounted against the wall that will have proper airflow for convenience and easier temperature flowing throughout the unit. Coming to the top is your water drain guarded by a shield and a cover for better performance for this freezer. Located on the ceiling, the very back, is a LED strip with cool white LED displaying your products. Temperature control, power switch, keys and locks will be included. And coming to your left will be your ETL NSF certification. Last but not least, power for this unit will be 110 and 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.